had to go get a new stand because the other one that we had was too wobbly. It is raining cats and dogs, but this is her. So in total right now, we spent $44 on this. And how much is the bags of rocks? Total, $12 total. And we'll figure out the pricing for everything else later. Petsmart. We got some fishies.
2 guppies, 5 tetras, and then Amy found her a betta fish that she likes.
Instead of a goldfish, because he wouldn't let me get a goldfish. Isn't she pretty? Alright, so we are back from the store. Will is about to start building that thing that we got from Walmart. This is the tank that we're using for the betta fish that we got. I'm actually going to use these rocks. I'm going to clean them off. I'm going to clean this stuff up that we got back here and right here. I'm going to put these back in here so we can have like a case unless we want to use them later. Alright, so we have it all set up and we got some storage basin. I'll put another one under there. But he's putting the water back into it because we had to move it so we could put it up in the stand. Anytime we're adding new water, we are treating it. And then we're going to put it back in the tank. We also added some more decorations. And then there's some photos in the top.
So I'm sitting here and I'm actually editing the video that me and Amy made about putting this tank together. And I realized I never did an outro, so this can be my outro now. I've always liked fish tanks. This fish tank in particular, this tank itself, I had when I was a little kid in the house that I grew up in. And it's just been sitting in storage for a while, and I found it the other day, and I was like, you know what, I want to set this thing up. This has been set up about a week now, and all the fish are doing good. We had 2 guppies in there, and both of them ended up dying. So now we have 5 tetras and 1 beta, and it's a female beta. Female betas actually are non-aggressive towards other fish besides male betas. So they've all been getting along. They're all happy in there now. Probably be getting some more fish for it. So y'all stay tuned. Appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.